guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? So today your girl Kelly is gonna make one of her favorite salad recipes for you today. I can tell I have so many salad recipes, guys. So thank you for coming, and for all my new viewers or subscribers, welcome and God bless you. So what I have for my salad recipes today is 4 eggs. I already boiled them. They are hard boiled. I have 2 carrots here, my slicer or grater. I have 2 avocado, some cherry tomatoes, red onion, half of it, lemon, and 1.5 cucumber. I have my olive oil and salted black pepper. So let's go right into it. So guys, the first thing I'm gonna do is to grate my carrot. So if you don't like grated carrots, you can chop them as well. You can chop them as well. Or some people don't like raw carrots, but that's my preference. I love raw carrots. If you don't like raw carrot, you can boil them halfway. So this is my carrot already grated. So now I'm gonna go with the cucumber. In the middle. I'm lucky. So guys, this is all I got from 2 whole avocado. As we all know, avocado are like a risky vegetable or fruit. So this is all I got from the 2 avocado, guys. Okay, so the next thing will be my cherry tomato. My next ingredient will be my hard-boiled eggs. then I'm gonna change my salad bowl because it's, as you guys can see, it's full already. I'll be changing my salad bowl so I can mix it properly. So guys, this is all. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna move this and I'll bring my bigger bowl, because as you can see, this bowl is so full. I can mix it right here. So with this, I'll be adding, sorry guys, I'll be adding my lemon juice. I don't know, usually I squeeze my lemon and I take off the seeds, but this time maybe it's my lazy day, I don't know. So I'm gonna add my lemon, the lemon juice. I still have some seed there, which is not good. So guys, if you want to do yours, just squeeze the lemon in a bowl separately, so you don't have to take out the seed, guys. So the next thing will be my olive oil. And my black pepper and salt. That means salted black pepper. So now it's ready to mix. That's all we need. Salad is ready. Yeah, so the salad is done, guys. Thank you so much for being with me. Thank you for watching. All my old subscribers, I love you guys. Thank you for my old subscribers. My salad is ready. As you can see, is like yummy. How does it look to you guys? Refreshing, healthy. So tomato. Okay, ready. So guys, let me have a taste of my salad. Okay, this salad is perfect, especially with the cherry tomato, the sweetness there, the onion, the cucumber is refreshing. Guys, you must give a try of this salad, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I can't wait to sit and enjoy this little bowl of salad. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Stay blessed. Bye bye.